Cron Jobs help manage repetitive tasks on your Magento 2 store. Want to automate tasks like reindexing or updating catalog prices? You're at the right place. This tutorial is designed to help you configure and run Magento Cron Jobs for smoother operations. Let's dive in. We start with the steps to install Cron Jobs in Magento 2. Step 1. Log into your server and execute the command. Step 2. Verify the newly installed Magento Cron tab by using this command. The output will resemble a command prompt displaying the Magento 2 Cron installation process. It will look like this, signaling the successful installation of Magento 2 Cron. Next, let's explore how to run Magento 2 Cron Jobs manually. Log into your Magento server via SSH, navigate to the project root, and execute the run command as the system owner. If you want to run a Magento Cron for a specific group, you can replace the group name in this command. Moving on to configuring the Magento 2 Cron job schedule. There are two ways to do this. Option 1, using the command line. Option 2, accessing the admin panel. First, log in as the file system owner through the command line and navigate to your Magento project root. Check the current Cron tab schedule using this command. By default, the Magento Cron runs every minute. However, you can customize this interval. For example, change it to run every 5 minutes by replacing the default service entry with a 5. If you want to create a custom cron job for Magento 2, you can use an online cron expression editor like crontab Guru or Cron Hub. After creating your custom cron job, use this command to edit the cron tab. To check the current cron tab schedule, use the following command. Now let's customize Magento Cron from the Magento admin. You can access the Magento admin panel by following the steps. Go to Stores Settings. Configuration. On the left panel, you'll find an option to expand the advanced setting. Click on it and select System. Within the Cron Scheduled Tasks section, click on the Cron configuration options and add your preferences for the group index options and the group default and customers options. This action will update the group values. Having done all that, configure your cron jobs to run at the intervals that best suit your needs. Remember to click Save Config. Following these steps, you've successfully configured and customized your Magento cron jobs. Remember to make regular adjustments to improve performance. And that's all for today. But hey, before you go, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful Magento tutorials. Until next time.